I dobrodošli još jedan snimak. Ja sam Serbian Gaming BGD i danas ćemo da snimati da igramo PES. Ne sjećam se baš koliko je bilo u onom prošlom, ali mislim da je bilo negde oko 3:0. Ja mislim da ste. Ako ste vidjeli, bit će... Ne. Ako ste vidjeli, bit će ona intro u ovom snimku, moj prvi intro. I eto, protiv koga igramo? Konačno igramo Ligu BBVA. Igramo protiv Levantea. Mislim da ćemo ih pogledati. Sad kao nešto. Kako to nešto pričam? Pozivno mi je malo. Imamo neke transfer. Julio Cezar. To mi baš ne treba sad. Carrick. Carricka bi mogli. Berija bi mogli. Mascherano. Pa dobro, neko što je to kupio. I koga smo rekli, baš je Carricka. Gdje je Carricka? Jo, volimo ovu pesmu. Pretty one right now. Raining this video. Koji je ovaj? Neki Srb. Jaco Morac. Dobro, to me ne zanima. Vidimo ovaj Radović. Opet ovo nešto pričaš, tako sam dostignem. Da me zezaš. Kako si se povredio koji kurac? Šta sad opet se neko povredio? Ja, nemoj molim te. A, to znam. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, ai, delícia. I da, inače, tu je opet moj drug Buca Igi i on igra FIFA 14. Kako ide?
Pa dobro. 10 minut 1-1. S obzirom da su mi dva igrača da bude crveni karton.
Možeš malo glasnije da pričaš?
Evo ga, 2-1 za mene.
O, ekstra.
90 minut. Eto.
Opa, izgleda Mascherano. Što bre? Club ranking, bla. Ok, nešto na moje priča. Idemo bre, sad ćemo mi da ih roknemo. Blends. Ono ne zanima. Kombination. Ajde ih odvalamo ljudi. Imamo game plan samo. Tako.
Da.
Sad igram sa Aston Villom. Ti?
I kako je? A tek si počeo?
Ne, još nisam počeo.
Evo ja sam sad krenuo.
Here we are
I
for
igramo
the
na
first match of the league
Levanteovom
season, and a
stadionu.
genuine buzz around the stands as a new campaign
Valjda
brings
ćemo
fresh
podvaliti.
hope.
Šta je mislite ljudi?
I'm John Champion, and alongside me at the City of Valencia Stadium is Jim Begley.
Well, thanks, John. Hello, everyone. Well, I hope
Holo,
you're looking forward to
brate.
it as much as I am. This could
Daj
be
mi
a
barem
real cracker.
žutu.
And Real Madrid with a set piece. It's that familiar gunslinger pose again. What can Cristiano Ronaldo do from this free kick?
A ne, ja sam free kick. Ne, teo sam da šutnem. Da, zaboravio sam da to
Vaquero.
ide na drugu stranu.
Clever ball.
Fuck. Dobro.
No beaten to it.
I
Here's Kaká.
Kaka. Dodaj. Ozil.
Mesut Özil.
Kako je Ozil? Idemo Ozil.
No, that's not going to make it. Can he now find a finish? A cross. They'll regard that as a decent result. Only a corner.
Naša. Ajde da ću Kediri.
Kaká!
Ne!
Just as well the
Jeste
defender was
vidjeli
able to
ovo?
knock off the loose ball.
Kako je šutno, kaka? Ja. Ovo je bilo smiješno. Vidi, ali dobro.
Could be a chance now. That is great goalkeeping. There's no respite for the
Oh,
defence,
kako
and they win
bilo.
another corner.
Neće ti tako. Ipak hoće.
Here's Gazal. Ricardo Carvalho.
I tako je, Ricardo.
Khedira.
Kedira. Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Here's
Benzema.
Benzema. He can take the shot on here.
Just how
O,
wasteful is
brate,
that?
koliko sreće imaju ovi.
Keeper makes the stop.
Nikako da im damo gol.
He was right in
Ima
front of
toliko
goal.
šans.
Probably should have scored, to be fair.
He knocks it in. Oh, no room for any argument there. Into touch it goes.
A dobro, naša.
Now Khedira.
Nešto navijaju za Levante. Neće to još dugo.
Possibility for a shot.
O, kakav go Arbeloa. Idemo bre Arbeloa.
Real Madrid who strike first.
1-0 za nas. Tako je bre ljudi.
That is a fine finish on the turn.
Ajde.
Well, I think you either have that instinct or you don't. That was a superb
Okej,
swiveling shot. A real
onda sam
striker
otišao
strike.
ovo. I bam go. Običan go. Samo bam.
Alo, opet sam dobio crveni.
Opet si dobio crveni. Svaka čast.
Samo 10 minuta.
Real Madrid have the all-important opener.
Well, that's
Okay,
their
ljudi,
campaign well
1-0
and truly
za
up and running now.
Some debate here, but no, goal kick.
O, to idemo. Mašeta. Сейчас.
He's got
Bez
in.
noge.
Here's Benzema. Now he's ready for a shot. It's well
Benzema
cleared.
ovaj.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go in alone.
Tako je čaj.
Now Payado. Now Gazal.
Tako, hvate Casillas.
Marcelo
Vidi ovi što pevaju i nešto se raduju da će Levante da pobedi.
plays this forward. Here's Khedira. He stayed up for this pass. Hits the ball. But
Mogu
plays
se
it.
malo bolje još.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
Mesut Ozil. It's opened up nicely for him. Now the chance. Now into the penalty area. And it's off the post.
Ne.
Booted to safety. Kaka. Here's a throw in a potentially dangerous area too. Xabi Alonso. A chance.
Oh,
Picked it off. Chance for a counter then. Back it goes. Shoots here. What a reprieve that
opet
was.
brani navis.
Oh, that was an admirable piece of work. You know, although he hasn't scored, it was good pressing and more than a decent try at goal.
I da, promenio sam težinu
This is
sad
lovely passing to watch. Neatly played. Tried to play it
Koliko je
through.
kod tebe?
1-0.
Kod mene 1-1. Opet sam gubio.
Kako si
Jedan igrač.
Arbeloa. Kaka on the ball. Mesut Ozil. Here's Kaka.
O daj, brate, nemojte više da me
Got it.
krivete. Ovo je krivo.
Oh, that is an awful tackle.
A šta, sad ćeš mi daš
Out from
scenu?
the breast pocket comes a yellow card from the referee.
A šta, kad on je mene krenuo, tad ništa. To su vam te sudije koje...
He sends it
Čekaj
in.
samo, vidimo da li ćemo nekoga da... Aj Pepe nastupa, pošto je dobio žutu pa nećemo previše da se...
Intercepted.
igramo.
Balls with Kaka. Now Khedira. We have 5 minutes to go in this half and just the one goal between the two sides. Khedira.
Mate, sad je njihov dobio crveni.
Tako im je treba.
He makes his way towards the penalty area
Skipnuo.
and the danger cleared away.
Joj, kakva šansa. Joj, kako spičio Ronaldo.
It's their first
Kako ga je
substitution
spičio u
today.
ugla.
Good decision. He's already been booked and looked in danger of picking up a second yellow.
Mislim, to je loše za mene, ali da ne razmišljam.
Benzema. Looking towards the penalty area now. Benzema. Can he now find a finish? The keeper pushes it away.
To, korno.
That would have been some goal.
That's such a great run he made there. He got away from two defenders as well. That's wonderful play.
Ball in. Carried away. There's the
To?
end to the first
Prvo
45.
poluvreme gotovo.
Well, I just think this 1-0
Ej,
lead
Tim.
is something they can
Malo,
build on.
mi
They're
smo
playing
mnogo
well enough to
bolji.
score more goals second half.
Znači,
Just one goal, the
zato
difference
ih i
between
vodim.
them.
Sa naša lopta.
The second half kicks off then.
Alo, a sudija, šta, kao nije faul, a?
Mesut Ozil. A cross in. The cross ending up in the
Oof.
goalkeeper's hands.
Brate, ovo možda treba da bude faul, ali... Ne znam.
Vaquero.
Drži ga! A, tako je,
Was
offside.
there, and the
E, prvi
defenders
offside.
looked pretty relieved.
Čudo to. U prošlom je bilo 25 offside. Ako ne
Pepe.
imaš.
The ball is with Khedira. And he's on the move. Through the middle he goes.
O, daj,
a
brate,
big
što nije
opportunity
kaznodio?
with a corner.
Zašto nije kaznodio? Kakav to gol bio?
Here's a ball in. Could be a chance now. It's an opportunity. The
Uf,
team
naša.
wins another corner.
Ma ima da igra.
Here's a cross, and it's hoofed away.
Ovo je bilo opasno.
Here's Payado, wants to get this forward.
Tako je.
Botelho,
Iđu.
Ibora. It's a volley! The keeper, always the favourite
Brate,
there.
mili.
Oh, listen, I
Kako
think you just
šut.
have to praise his attitude. He's
Kako
never afraid
šut
to have a
šutno,
go, and it
brate.
doesn't matter from where.
Bam. Doslovno.
A ball in, and a sublime header! It's out of play, and that'll be a goal kick.
Da, spravi. Ne znam što su imali tako spori.
Now Khedira. Kaka.
Daj, nemoj više da ga fauliraš.
Can he shoot? And a cross.
Well, talking about toothless, not one of them chose to shoot.
It's a ball in. Here's a header.
Oh,
No luck there.
Well, he was in such a great position in front of goal, and
Yeah,
you'd
baš
expect
puno
him to score
sreće
from
ovdje.
there, but somehow he's missed it.
A oni imaju sreće kod veće. Pa
Vaquero.
nećete.
A
Gledaj
fine
ovo, šta
display
uradi
of
Khedira?
slick passing. Xabi Alonso.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flank. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Now the chance. Hits it. Cleared away
Kako
to
su to
safety.
naši ozile? Jedan
A
na
good
jedan
dribble
imaš.
and a good chance.
Well, he certainly needs no invitation to run in on goal like that. Great strong run, but just wasn't able to apply the finish.
And here he comes. And Kaka now in full flight. Here's a cross. Oh, he wasn't taking any chances there. Sloppy pass, intercepted. It's on for him. Over the top. Also goes. Just gives the
Šta
throw.
je uradio Casillas?
He sends it in.
Ma bravo Casillas. Kako ide kod tebe, kako je?
Gubim 2-1.
Lepo.
Mesut
Kod mene
Ozil
1-0 još uvijek.
approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. It's opened up nicely for him.
O, daj
and he
bre
couldn't put
više.
it away.
Oh, there's no
Šta
doubt
je s
whatsoever
vama
that he ought to
danas?
have given his side the
13
comfort of
puta
a
smo
two-goal
šutnuli na
cushion.
go i samo jedan go smo dali. I to prvi, drugi šut koji je bio.
Here's Mesut Ozil. This is a promising run.
Jo, kako me nervira.
He's on a promising run. Kaká's cross.
Jo!
A chance.
It's all about good
Ooh,
concentration
kako
now.
sam
When the
ja.
body tires, the brain tends to go with it. So they've really got to dig in now
Ja,
to stay
kako me
ahead.
nerviraju. O, šta? Offset, offset.
He's latched onto it.
Šta?
He can take the shot on here.
Kao nije
Surely
offset.
that's a penalty, and the referee agrees. He was nowhere near the ball there.
Da. Penal. Za njih.
Ali njihov igrač opet dobio crveni.
What
Yo.
can Levante do here?
sad ja moram da branim.
Oh, and
Odbranio je!
makes the save.
Ne!
And how important could that be?
Odbranio sam i onda on šutnuo opet. Kliznuo ono.
Keeper made a mess of it and he's been punished.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done to the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
A taj, brate, koja fora je
The
odbranio.
game restarts with the scores level again.
Uf, kako me nervirate sad.
No, it's been
A
picked off.
zašto se spori? Zašto se spori?
Aruna Kone already on the score sheet. He's got in. Now Aruna Kone.
Nećeš gol. Nećeš, piču. Si dao na kvarnu govno jedno. Ne smete, ne umete lepo da date gol.
Mesut
Nego
Ozil.
morate onako glupo.
It's come through to him
Evo
nicely.
sad mi reci da je
Now
offside.
he's ready for a shot.
Aj, reci mi da je offside. Da ću ti uvjeti mak.
Benzema and a shot here.
Aj sad reci da je offside. Ajde
Taken
govno
with
jedno.
some
Eto ti ga na.
style. And
2:1.
that's coming so late in the game must be that.
Tako je bre. Ronaldo, kakav gol. Eto vam ga sad.
The keeper can't be happy with that sort of lapse in his
Znaš
defense.
šta je?
It was an open
I ovi
invitation
gledaju
to
onu
score.
kameru tamo.
Gladly accepted.
Kakav gol. Bezem šutira ovaj Inter branje i onda Ronaldo trči i pom gol. Pom gol. Kako moćno. Jo, koliko kod tebe? 2:1, a?
They have their lead now, but
Awesome.
can they hold out for these last few
izgubili
minutes?
su.
That's a huge goal at this stage, but I suspect
Kod
they're going to
mene
have to dig
2:1
deep
isto.
in the next few minutes to try and see this one out.
Wonderful
daj.
through ball over the top. The pass cut out. Plays this forward.
Amo Xavi.
Clear.
Dobro, naša.
Out towards the byline.
A, da, i znam
And
šta
that's
će
going a long way.
biti.
Good run down the side. Now, what next? Here's a ball in.
Marcelo.
A great chance now with this corner. Here's a ball in, and the ball is plucked out of the air by the keeper. Plays a long ball forward.
Gotovo.
So that's
Koji je
it,
minut
the
kod tebe?
final whistle. A real confidence boost for the
A?
season to come. Any pre-season
Koji?
jitters will surely have been
Gotovo je
dispelled
kod
with that
mene.
result.
Well, listen, it's always good to win the first match of the campaign. It's
Dobro
important
smo
for the
bili.
manager and the players to get off to a good start,
Mnogo bolje.
and they've done exactly that today.
Ko je najbolji? Ozil.
My sincere thanks
Oh.
go to Jim alongside me.
Možda bi
And as the
Arbolo.
fans make their way home,
Dobro.
so must we. Good evening to you.
I mi smo četvrti. Ali svi imamo po 3 boda. Dobro je. Dobro. Eto, vidjeli ste. Što da vam kažem? Šerite, lajkujte, subscribeujte. Ako još niste. I eto, tako to. Ovo samo vidimo što nam ova priča. Dobili smo 88 para. I idemo u UEFA Champions League. Next. Ajde vidimo baš ove. Da ima ovo. Messi javi Cristiano Ronaldo. Lepo. ljudi, to bi bilo to za ovaj snimak. Vidimo se u sljedećem. Ćao!